Do you want to know how you can log into your South University student portal? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your South University student portal. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser, go to the Google search bar to search for South University student portal. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will lead you to the official page of South University's student portal. After the site opens up, there are some options you can choose from. If you want to log in to some different types of portal, then the option will be shown on your screen. After the site's open up, go ahead and click sign in, which you will see on the top right hand corner, or the login button, which you can see on the top right hand corner. You can access courses, academics, staffs and classes through this portal as well. So go ahead and click login and click on student portal, and it will lead you to this login portal. Go ahead and write down your username, your password, and then click login. Make sure your username and password is correct, otherwise you cannot log in to your South University student portal. So write down your username, your password, and then click login. This way you can successfully log into your South University student portal. I hope this video about how you can log into your South University student portal was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.